Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to unpair a Firestick remote. Let's go. To unpair your remote control, hold down the home button for 10 seconds. While the remote is flashing yellow, your remote is in pairing mode. To connect the remote to another device, disconnect the Firestick from the power supply and plug it back in. Hold down the home button. Hold it until the blue light appears. That's it. Now you know how to unpair a Firestick remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.